Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you a buy trade I took on USDJPY. On the daily time frame on USDJPY, we can see that USDJPY has been in a massive and bullish uptrend for a very long time. And with this in mind, all I was looking for was a buy trade on USDJPY. Now let's go down to the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we can see that we've had series of structural highs being taken out on the 4 hours time frame, confirming the bullishness of USDJPY. So when we zoom right in on the 4 hours time frame, we can see that we had this high right here. Then we had this low right here. We had this lower high being created. Then we had this lower low being created as well. But later, the market went ahead to break above this last lower high, giving us this massive push to the upside. So once we add this break of this high, of this structural high right here, I was looking for opportunities to get into buy trades at the retracement. So I drew my Fibonacci retracement tool from the low of the market to this high, and as you all know, discounted zones are zones at 61% on the fee and zones at 78% of the Fibonacci retracement tools. So on these zones, I was able to cite a demand zone right here. I was able to cite a demand zone at the 78.60 on the retracement tool. So I was waiting for price to come back right into the zone, but price never did. Price only mitigated a zone around the 61% on the Fibonacci retracement tool. So you can see it's mitigated the 61% on it. So I wasn't able to get an entry right here because my focus, my point of interest was at this zone. So since I had to miss this move and I knew the market was definitely going to take out this high, I was looking for other opportunities to get into a buy. So I went down to the 1 hour time frame, and on the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, let's take it back. I was right here, and on the 1 hour time frame, I mapped out my structure, and I was able to, we had this high, we had this low, we had this lower high, we had this lower low, we had this lower high, we had this lower low right here. Then once we had a break above this lower high, I was looking for opportunities to get into the market. So the zones I was targeting were this zone around this demand zone right here. I was expecting price to come back into this zone, but price never did. Price went on to create more structural highs. That is, we had this low, we had this high that broke above this last lower high. We had this low, we proceeded to have this higher high, then we had this low, then we created another higher high, breaking above this last high right here. So once we broke above this high, I knew this was my last higher low, so I was looking for a retracement back into this zone right here. And as you can see, when price went up, markets created this gap in the market. We had this gap being created, which is also called imbalances. So once I saw this imbalance, I had my point of interest right here, and I waited for price to come back into the zone. I went to the 45 minutes time frame and I refined my entry down to this imbalance field. I had my buy limit set right here with my stop loss being just about 15 pips, and my target was this high being created here, this last high that was created right here, with that is giving me about 50 pips target. So I waited for price to come back and fill this unhealthy price action and to tap me into the market. So let's play the market. And here we had the tap into my buy limit. I was tapped in, and on the 15 minutes time frame also there was another opportunity for re-entry on the 15 minutes time frame, because on the 15 minutes time frame, if you had missed this first entry, this was another entry, like a confirmation entry, because we had this high being taken out. If we mark out our structure from this high to this low, this high, low, high, low, market broke above these two previous high in the market. This was a minor break of structure, another minor break of structure. So this was another opportunity to get an entry if we had missed this buy right here. We can also see that when market pushed all the way up, when market pushed all the way up, we had some imbalance left behind. Like this, we had some gaps around the zone that was left behind. So we also had this other block right here. So this was another entry opportunity for a buy with just 6 pips stop loss. And but I didn't take this buy. My focus was on my normal entry I had on the 45 minutes time frame. So I didn't take this new entry, and I was able to get my 50 pips on the trade. The market tapped me in perfectly, and with little or no drawdown, and the market rallied all the way up, giving me a 50 pips profit. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next vlog.